Hi, I'm Jo from Jotties Journal, and today Addis have invited me to show you how to organise your understairs storage space. But first, we need to clear it out. So luckily today I've got my Jotettes, Sarah and Kim with me. Let's go! So now we've cleared the space, we need to clean off the scuffs and the marks off the walls and skirtings. Going to get a cream cleaner for that, and then sort the floors out with a dustpan and brush. Now that the big clean is complete, it's time to get organised. So we finished decluttering. Let me talk through what we've done. So we put the daily pet food into these containers here, the extendable era, the collapsible laundry basket, great for compact spaces, the Shirtmaster ironing board, this Fab Cute caddy for the batteries and bulbs, more pet food storage bits and bobs. We've got the kid shoes up here, easily accessible, dad shoes, mum shoes, all the garden shoes on the bottom. And then this fab spray mop for small spaces, great, no need for a bucket. And there we go, transformation complete. If you want any more hints or inspo, head on over to addis.co.uk.